Hey guys, welcome to Breaking Food, and in this video I'll be unboxing this Bluetooth wireless earbuds. So this is the Jabra Elite 65T. So I actually had purchased this on Cyber Monday, and it was for around $90. But the retail pricing is $160, which is the same price as a normal AirPods second gen with without the wireless charging case. So yeah, these are actually noise canceling, which is really cool. Unlike the normal AirPods, which are for similar pricing. On top of that, this is IP. If you can't see right here, IP65. IP55, which is good for if you're sweating and you're jogging and working out, which are really good. And it comes with applications you can download to tweak your noise and sound that comes out of your earbuds. And 5 hours of battery life, not too bad. And you get the 2-year doesn't want resistant warranty, which is pretty good. You got your customize your music, and yeah. Let's get into this packaging. So this is what it came out of the box: the earbuds, a micro USB cable. I kind of don't like. I wish it was Type C, because you got like AirPods, even though they use Lightning, it's Lightning to USB Type C. You got the Samsung Galaxy earbuds that are Type C, and other earbuds are using Type C to charge, except if you're Apple or Beats, you use Lightning. You got the smallest one and the biggest tips, and you got the charging case. So over here, if you guys can see, there's a whole green means it's fully charged. I guess red means it's about to die. And right over here, you guys can see there's a light indicator showing that the earbuds are charged and whatnot. And overall, I kind of like it. It's kind of bulky, but I mean, considering that these are kind of like bulky, wireless earbuds, unlike AirPods, which are just tall. I mean, it's fine. You have the mic right over here. You got the earbud right over here. The charging pin things. This is the right earbud, and this is the left one, and this is the play pause button. And to get the system, you hold on this button. So yeah, as you guys can see, I got these on. Noise canceling is really good. I can only hear myself. They look good, but they kind of feel bulky in my ears. But other than that, they stay on really good. Honestly, if I were you guys, this is a good time to actually buy these. These are worth the price. I've actually used this before from friends and family, and they're worth the price. I mean, if I were you guys, pick it up right now. And if you guys want to get AirPods, I mean, they're fine. I mean, if you're getting AirPods, I suggest the second gen ones, not the Pros. But I mean, the second gen doesn't even have water resistance and noise canceling, unlike this one, which is about the same price as the AirPods second gen. So if I were you, pick this up. And yeah, I will link the Best Buy a link to a Best Buy and Amazon purchase to earbuds. These earbuds down in the description below, and you guys should pick it up. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe, share, and please help me get over 1,000 subs. I'm trying to maintain this YouTube channel. I really want to kind of start getting paid by YouTube so that once I do, I can spend that money on, you know, maybe getting better equipment, finding a place to actually start filming good videos, getting my own space, and, you know, getting things for you guys to, you know, review and, you know, talk with you guys. So yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.